court concludes that on the date of the application, a dispute existed between the parties on the question whether the acts of genocide attributable to Ukraine had been committed in the Donbas region and on the lawfulness of the Russian Federation's actions allegedly undertaken on the basis of such an accusation. The Russian Federation's first preliminary objection must therefore be rejected. The armed conflict between the applicant and the respondent continues to this day. A judgment of the court regarding Submission B will clarify the rights and obligations of the parties under the Genocide Convention, in particular, whether Ukraine acted in accordance with its obligations under Article 1 of the Convention. The court is mindful of its responsibilities in the maintenance of international peace and security, as well as in the peaceful settlement of disputes under the Charter of the United Nations and the Statute of the Court. It follows from the foregoing that submissions C and D in paragraph 178 of Ukraine's memorial do not fall within the jurisdiction of the court, and that the court may not deal with them on the merits, while submission B in paragraph 178 of Ukraine's memorial does fall within the jurisdiction of the court, and the claim contained therein is admissible. By 15 votes to 1, finds that it has jurisdiction on the basis of Article 9 of the Convention on the Prevention and Punishment of the Crime of Genocide to entertain submission B in paragraph 178 of the Memorial of Ukraine.
Today is another important day in the International Court of Justice. Today the court announced its decision that it has jurisdiction to proceed to the merits stage in the case Ukraine versus the Russian Federation on the allegations of genocide. It is important that the court will decide on the issue that Ukraine is not responsible for some mythical genocide which the Russian Federation falsely alleged that Ukraine has been committing since 2014 in Donbas, and that also it is important for us that the order on provisional measures of 16th of March 2022 remains in force as the case proceeds to the merit stage. And so it means that the obligation of the Russian Federation to immediately suspend all the military activities in the territory of Ukraine is there, and it is a legal obligation which the Russian Federation must fulfill.